Step into the extraordinary with smart tech. Join us as we navigate through the world of heavy equipment and innovative agriculture machines. Vermeer's powerful T1255 Commander 3 trencher provides all the power you need to dig large diameter pipe trenches in rocky ground. Being equipped with a Caterpillar engine with a power of 447 kilowatts, this powerful trencher allows you to lay trunk pipelines. Among the advantages of the equipment, we would like to emphasize maximum efficiency of digging in rocky soil with less wear due to the low-speed, high-torque engine with a splined main shaft, as well as longer chain life thanks to the carbide alloyed lower pads and separately available upper boom rollers. The key purpose of the Komatsu underwater bulldozer is to move large volumes of soil over short distances. The machine is capable of removing layers of soil and backfilling it, leveling sites and performing many other tasks underwater. It's also indispensable during the construction of dams, dikes, and other structures. The bulldozer is often used for contouring roadbeds, ditches, and embankments before construction. Do more work with less effort is Caterpillar's tagline. Adhering to their working concept, they've created a mighty waste compactor, model 836K. This giant weighs about 55 tons, and its power is 535 horses. But the main advantage of this machine is that it is equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. This innovative machine from Afron is a high-performance, medium-duty machine with double-boom overhead capability. The unique design of this model provides the ability to do skirting and vertical hedging in one pass, as well as a double top in one pass. No other machine on the market today has these capabilities. It easily handles hedges and sheaths both sides of the row in just one pass, which is a huge advantage. On the plus side, there are also variable speed rotating crosses, as well as the option of a T4 six-cylinder powertrain. And then there's this. The piston-mounted operator's cab has been improved for maximum comfort, ease of maintenance, and precise operation. The Keystrack R3 machine is the best impact crusher in the industry. It delivers optimum results and product shape at one of the lowest equipment costs. Combined with its relatively small transport dimensions, excellent fuel efficiency, and high productivity, this machine is ideal for primary and secondary crushing, construction and demolition, and concrete or waste recycling. Introducing the highest capacity battery electric dump truck for underground mining. This incredible Sandvik machine with an unrivaled payload of 65 tons will soon begin testing at an Australian gold mine, and commercial production is expected to begin next year. Well, let's look forward to mass production and happy consumer feedback. This is a cutter trencher for long-distance fiber optic and electrical cable and small diameter pipeline installation. The Model 1150 is a high-performance trencher capable of digging 152 centimeters deep and 40 centimeters wide. The machine is equipped with the Trenchtronic 5.0 electronic control system. EVO technology provides high efficiency in hard ground, reduced time consumption, and low maintenance expenses. The new Oxbow Model 6120 has been introduced as a four-wheeled specialized harvester designed for harvesting grape crops. It's capable of harvesting the product at a very high level, almost completely, eliminating the possibility of damage. The 6120 can tackle steep and difficult terrain with ease, and its spacious buckets allow the harvester to deliver high productivity in the field. With a wide range of options, the 6120 can be adapted to a wider range of vineyard applications. It's available with 3 cutter bar options, a 3 or 4 row sprayer, and a front tool holder. Envodan has been supplying weed burners to organic farms and nurseries in Denmark and around the world for many years. Envodan's patented eTherm system reduces gas consumption by up to 40% through an optimized system that maximizes the use of combustion heat for weed control, resulting in high efficiency. And the company achieves significant reductions in CO2. All their agricultural models are designed and manufactured in collaboration with the customer to adapt the machinery to the specific needs of the crops being grown. Well, friends, get acquainted. You see the unique, innovative, self-propelled bale baron, a state-of-the-art small bale wrapping system. The machine itself is based on the same innovative design concept as the trailed model. Built with power and versatility in mind, the Marcrest will increase bale production without the need for a tractor. Be 100% sure of that. Introducing the Monarch Mark V, a new generation tractor that's ready to change the way you think about agricultural technology. This miracle tractor not only eliminates emissions, making it 100% eco-friendly, but also transforms into a powerful power generator in the field. By integrating with NVIDIA's advanced Jetson Edge AI platform, Monarch breaks new ground in autonomous and robotic technology. Can you imagine a tractor that follows you around, performing tasks without driver input? Or one that keeps you working safely around the clock by preventing rollovers and collisions? The Monarch Mark V makes it all possible, ushering in an era of safe and sustainable agriculture. Camp C has printed a real residential two-story house with an area of 90 square meters and a height of 8 meters, using Europe's largest concrete 3D printer. What makes this house so unique? Firstly, the fact that other houses printed around the world only have one floor. The house was printed as part of the European C3PO with financial support from the European Regional Development Fund. Through this, the project partners hope to increase the construction industry's interest in using 3D printed concrete as a building technique. They believe that such homes would reduce material and energy consumption, CO2 emissions, and the waste stream. And all we have to do is watch to see what happens next. The Pocket Bucket is a special remote-controlled forklift from the Italian company MDB, capable of traveling at speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. Its low center of gravity means it can lift up to 1,765 pounds, and thanks to its rubber belt design, the unit can safely reach its destination on almost any terrain. What's great is that the operator now controls the loading process with a remote control. The extendable boom can also be tilted if needed. The machine is easy to transport, and tools are easy to replace. The Slopemaster is one of a kind. Its unique design makes it the perfect companion for any large mowing job, whether on flat ground or at an angle of up to 60 degrees. It has several features, including a safety warning light, a winch for evacuation, and multiple shutoff mechanisms for total safety in all situations. What do we know about Spaperi's RA632 tobacco harvester? What we know is that the technological giant has a fast and efficient mechanism with high-performance single belts. It's also equipped with a special harvesting system with pendulum cutters for basal and intermediate leaves, as well as several cutters with integrated cutting rods and a mechanism for topping leaves with an automated harvesting system. On the plus side, there's the ability to eject falling leaves without the use of fans, as well as a 2-speed transmission to the wheels, traveling on the road at a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Finally, the manufacturer has equipped the machine with simplified hydraulics to reduce maintenance expenses. The Pellenc TRP Precision Pruner reduces pruning time by up to 90%. As a precise and highly efficient machine, it provides excellent pruning quality. You can see for yourself. And thanks to the integrated automated systems, you can work without fatigue or loss of efficiency. The new PL-TRP model with integrated pre-trimmer allows you to do 2 jobs in one pass. The TRP Optimum Precision Pruner is the ideal solution to significantly reduce your costs. The Verix series of cultivators is the successor to the RF series. This machine is a universal rotary cultivator, which is ideal for all types of soil cultivation. The Verix rotary cultivator can be used for seedbed cultivation for potatoes, for forming ridges for carrots, chicory, and for other forming seedbeds. Thanks to the stainless steel pressure units in the ridging hood, this cultivator creates voluminous, firm, and uniform ridges. The spring-loaded top cover over the Varix tines has no dead spots where excess soil can accumulate. If 6 or more rows are installed on the machine, it's available with a hydraulic folding frame. This is the 4-wheeled self-propelled AT5104 fertilizer spreader from Oxbow, which is designed to work in difficult field conditions and on heavy terrain. The technique knows how to distribute power and torque properly, while having a more than stylish appearance. The tank level can be monitored via a pilot screen, allowing for the most efficient cycle time and avoiding unnecessary driving around the field. The 8-inch loading arm is mounted next to the driver's cab and has a 160-degree reach. To achieve the best slurry flow, the machine's large diameter piping has minimal bends, and the standard 29.5 cubic foot Borger pump is specially angled. The Wood Terminator tractor chipper that comes with the new John Deere tractor is a dynamic and flexible business. This is the brainchild of a brand that offers cost-effective solutions for farmers and foresters. The one-piece planetary gears and drives of their machinery are powered by oil engines and a closed-loop hydraulic unit. It's thanks to this approach that all the machine's mechanisms work powerfully and at the same time very smoothly. Vermeer's popular Model CT718 compost tedder can now be equipped with full-size steel tracks, an option that is best suited for rugged and muddy terrain. The new full-track option is one of 4 drive systems available for the CT718 compost tedder, which also include 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and 2-wheel drive plus 2 short tracks. The Carmix 3500 TC Series mobile all-wheel drive off-road concrete mixer is the latest model and further development of the 3.5 cube concrete mixer of the previous 3.5 TT version. However, it's characterized by innovative design and the latest technologies that help to produce concrete of almost any grade even more efficiently. The main sphere of application of this equipment is the construction of infrastructure facilities, low-rise and cottage housing, concreting of energy and agro-industrial facilities, concreting of roads, pouring foundations and floors of large production facilities. The panoramic view of the cab and aerodynamic profile of the design, as well as the latest concrete mate weight system and ProMix mix analysis system, makes the machine a perfect mobile off-road assistant. The 6-shooter manhole cutter from Mr. Manhole cuts and pulls the manhole frame without any labor, keeping crews safe. The cutter has an adjustable cutting diameter, requiring no tools or additional parts. Fully developed repair specifications are offered for free download. Repairs are fast and affordable, providing perfect level work that can be completed in less than an hour. The 6-shooter cuts diameters up to 72 inches and cuts 16 or 20 inches deep with optional blades. In addition to manhole frames, it can also cut water valves and make penetrations in roads for utility repairs with special optional equipment. Now let's discuss the Raubaud mounted stump grinder. First, let me note, it's easily adaptable for excavators from 2.5 to 8 tons with or without a quick coupler. The equipment is equipped with a 20mm thick disc and 5, 7, and 9 carbide teeth, which can be repositioned 3 times to increase the service life. And just look at how well the trimmer performs its direct duties. Let's discuss the new CID attachment installed on the RT120 mini loader. Let's face it, this rotary cutter is a truly unique attachment that simply must be in your collection. The cutter is designed for trimming unwanted tree branches on roadsides and behind certain fences. The technique is also great for clearing pond banks and paving trails. You see the modern Moorbark 3200. In fact, it's a relatively compact horizontal chipper designed for processing wood and green waste, as well as pre-crushing. This model is available as tracked for greater mobility or electrically powered and can be equipped with Moorbark's most popular features. It is now extremely easy to harvest olives and almonds. All you need to do is to buy a special machine from Afron and then shake the trees well to catch the harvest. Ideal for gardens with a minimum trunk clearance of half a meter. The technique copes perfectly with young and already mature trees that use mechanical hedging. Ventrak's new model RV602 vacuum collection system is a professional's choice for all lawn care needs on commercial properties and home sites. Whether it's cleaning up fast-growing grass in the spring or cleaning up the fall leaves covering your yard, the vac system is the right choice for a quick job of taking care of your lawn. Thanks to their extensive experience with sand and special cleaning technology, Beach Tech beach cleaners are also well suited for lawn and racetrack maintenance. You can see the exceptional cleaning results in this video. Here, Charrington's new model 440XL was successfully demonstrated in Denmark. You're looking at a seedbed preparation machine which is characterized by a robust and compact design and is ideal for loosening hardened soil crusts, crop residue, particularly effective against maize residue, and for weed control in different crops and soils. Gutler Matador can be used all year round, even on wet and sticky soil. The working tool breaks the crust effectively, thanks to its unusual shape. Then the ground is thrown upwards, and all weeds and crop residue are pulled to the surface and remain lying on top, drying out in the sun and open air. By the way, the working width of the machine is 242 inches. This is what a versatile tool for flawless vineyard leaf trimming with perfect operator comfort looks like. Pellenc has created its fast and efficient panorama trimmer, which offers high performance and excellent visibility. It's robust and reliable, with 2 cutting systems, reciprocating cutting bars, and with blades. The panorama trimmer provides exceptional visibility along the row. The technique's main strength lies in its technical and visual simplicity. No parts protrude from the chassis and hood, and visibility of the cutting elements is exceptional. The hydraulic transmission is simple and particularly reliable. The steering precision in the row is good. The reduced front overhang allows the machine to be positioned precisely in relation to the row. The AVIC standalone laser bird repeller, distributed in South Korea by Bird Control Korea, is a high-tech solution for protecting crops and objects from birds. This device uses advanced laser technology to effectively repel birds, minimizing the risk of them damaging and falling on their protected areas. The reliability and innovation for which Bird Control Group is renowned makes this repeller an indispensable tool in combating bird problems, ensuring peace and order whenever it's needed. Flegel agro trucks are ideal for both on- and off-road use due to their improved field suitability. These massive trailers for large machines transport bulky and heavy loads and unload them in seconds. Whether it's wood chips, pellets, or grain, the ejector technology ensures even and complete emptying. You'll be pleased with the result. The F3020 is an evolution in the world of electric secateurs from Evrard, offering improved cutting speed and comfort. This pruner surpasses its predecessor, the F3015, by being lighter, more compact, and easier to handle. Equipped with a Bluetooth option for connectivity, the F3020 allows users to customize the device through the Infaco app, including blade control and cutting speed. This makes it an ideal tool not only for pruning plants, but also for working with sheep, as shown in our video. The TMR Model 5750 trailer mixer comes standard with a Jailer square cut auger, which is the main reason Jailer mixers outperform all other brands of TMR vertical mixers. It handles and mixes up to 2 5x6 round bales or 3 4x5 round bales per load, 3,550 pounds of hay. With expansion, it's suitable for feeding up to 150 head of dairy cattle or 185 beef cows or 740 adult sheep or goats per load per day, depending on ration composition. Designed for very heavy loads, this model includes a reinforced undercarriage and the ever-popular 5750 mixer size. Along with the tire options, there is no ration this beast of a mixer can't carry. Do you have hardwood or challenging wood and you're unsure how to split it effectively? The solution is here with the Polylog splitter machine. The auto-speed function responds to the required pressure and automatically selects the best forward speed for the wood. Definitely a cool solution. And the adjustable splitting stroke of the machine helps avoid annoying idle strokes, which is also crucial. UNAC Rail is a Model 22 TRR railroad excavator with tons of benefits. Don't believe me? Then look. The machine is capable of lifting heavy loads up to 6 tons, has 2 motorized rail axles for hydrostatic movement and braking, and is equipped with a special boom safety system designed to limit movement when working under live wires. Great qualities, you'll agree. Do you want to weed or clean the edges of green spaces, sidewalks, or urban floors? Then this powerful and highly efficient brush adapted to the mower arm is just for you. From the advantages of the machine, I would single out the new variator of forward-reverse tilt, speed, and orientation of the working body on the mower. Other pluses include the powerful hydraulic motor with high torque and the motion control unit, which is now located in the operator's cab. The WV Series vegetable pickers are available in 5 working widths from 4.6 to 6.7 inches. They're also used for the 2-phase harvesting method for stable and storable onions. The machine is suitable for beginners in mechanical vegetable harvesting. The crop is gently picked up, cleaned on 2 sifting conveyors, and placed through a funnel into a swath where it is dried, thus increasing the crop's stability and storability. The machine can be perfectly adapted to the prevailing harvesting conditions thanks to the various underfeeding devices and additional optional equipment. When it comes to silage compaction, the Horlara Stego 285 Pro is your unbeatable hero. Designed with the highest quality and reliability in mind, this roller ensures that your grass and maize silage stays fresh and rot-free for much longer. How does it achieve these results? The secret is in its unique ability to fill with water, sand, or molasses, making it a true heavyweight among rollers. It masters the art of removing air between layers, ensuring your silage is perfect. And by the way, it works in tandem with the Horlara's Viking tool, which is ideal for spreading grass in the silo. It comes standard with hydraulically folding and extendable arms, as well as optional forks. Well, now you're looking at the self-propelled double-row cabbage harvester for industrial processing from ASA Lift. This modernized machine is equipped with a proven and durable feeding unit. Driven torpedoes guide the cabbage to the feeding belts, which then grab the grown product by the stem and guide it to the specially hardened cutting unit. Fast, convenient, simple, and most importantly, reliable. When it comes to heavy lifting, there's nothing more productive than Manitec's Vala cranes. With lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons and various drive systems, electric, diesel, or hybrid. These versatile mobile cranes ensure that every project is completed with unmatched precision and efficiency. Choose a wheeled model for exceptional mobility or a tracked model for unrivaled stability. With a choice of fixed or swing boom and countless specialized options, each crane is designed to exceed expectations in the most demanding environments. Well, now you see the ROC RT 840M, an attachment that knows how to surprise with its flexibility. With it, you can change the working width from 19 feet 6 inches to 27 feet 5 inches thanks to a dual hydraulic system that allows you to adapt right on the go. When the pickups are connected, this technique can unload hay to the right and left, and when separated, it can unload between the 2 parts or into the middle. And although it cannot be folded for road transportation, the functionality in the field makes the technique an indispensable assistant on the farm. In the world of the forestry industry, the real hero is the Skovmek BMF 12T2 Pro 750, a machine designed for those who do not seek compromise. Its double frame can support up to 13 tons, and its 22-foot length speaks to its impressive size. The BMF 750 crane is like a magic staff in the hands of a wizard, operated with ease and precision, capable of lifting thousands of pounds up to 24.6 feet. This machine is not just a tool. It's a true symbol of power and reliability. This is a unique self-propelled grape harvester, the Gregoire GL 7.4. It's built with a 4-cylinder Deutz engine with 160 horsepower and 2 fruit hoppers with a capacity of 2,000 liters. Thanks to the Easy Clean device, the hoppers are filled with 99.8% clean fruit. The harvesting unit is mounted on a pendulum and remains vertical on uneven ground to accommodate the growth of the vines. The gap between the two sides of the GL 7.4 automatically adjusts to the thickness of the plant rows, ensuring consistent harvesting performance. Anyone can bury potatoes in the ground, but if you want to maximize time, land, and investment efficiency, and ultimately make more money, it's critical to bury potatoes in the ground quickly, at precise depths and intervals. The technology that can make all of this possible is the Air Cup planter from Lockwood. The unique system that the manufacturer used completely eliminates centripetal force and ensures precise planting at any speed. As a result, a constant seeding depth is ensured, adjustable for different seeding conditions. Meanwhile, a radar-controlled hydraulic drive is used for more precise seed distribution. The enlarged seed hopper allows you to seed as many acres as possible. If you grow nuts and fruits that cannot be shaken to the ground, the Shockwave Catch-All X from OMC is your best solution. This machine will help you fully shake the tree and harvest the product with quality. At the heart of each half of the Catch-All X system is a 3.8-liter Cummins Series V-turbo diesel engine with 148 horsepower on the shaker side and 121 horsepower on the receiver side. The receiver half of the system features a deflector, a main conveyor, and a transfer conveyor that can be unloaded at a 45 or 90-degree angle at your choice. The shaker half of the system comes standard with a deflector and OMC's new R5 Magnum shaker head. The Krone RX loader trailer, equipped with the OptiGrass cutting system, sets new standards in the professional segment, ensuring the highest forage quality and maximum productivity. The multifunctional loader trailer offers a transport volume of 33 to 40 cubic meters and is ideal for loading and dosing green forage, as well as for use as a transport trailer in forage harvesting equipment. With the high-performance OptiGrass 28 and 37 cutting units, the Krone RX guarantees a neat cut and uniform forage placement, thus increasing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Looking for an easy and economical way to prune and prune vines? Introducing the new Combivity series from Petlink. It's a handy kit that includes a tool-carrying frame and a choice of 3 attachments: the Precision Clear Pruner, the TRP, the Pre-Pruner, and the Stripper, all based on precision clearing pruning technology, which has been developed and tested by Petlink for decades. Combivity helps to mechanize vine pruning fully, reducing costs and optimizing the process. The ideal solution to reduce costs, speed up pruning, and solve the problem of labor shortages, making complex tasks easier and less labor-intensive. Proven technology is combined with convenient and practical functions, all in the latest generation of Vitasem mechanical seed drills, to guarantee simple and precise sowing for all farmers. The Vitasem machines have been modernized and optimized to the maximum. Their proven technology is now combined with an even easier operation. And you know, this is the hallmark of mechanical seed drills from this company. With Vitasem seeders, you can lay the foundation for healthy growth of future plants. The new Teagle Telehawk T2 requires no tractor connection and is a telescopic straw bed that connects to your telehandler. Works perfectly with a hydraulic tailgate for greater maneuverability and easier loading. The Telehawk T2 provides flexible handling with its 280-degree swivel chute and Bluetooth controls. The Telehawk T2 is also part of Tomahawk's extensive range. You see the Taylor Farms cool automatic cabbage harvester, one of the most revolutionary machines in the industry. Having done away with manual harvesting in the past, this automated harvester is essentially the sort of mobile factory that provides ergonomically correct harvesting conditions. In doing so, The machine does a decent job of combining the productivity of manual staff with a 50% reduction in labor costs. And how this machine works, you can see right now on your screens. Would it be possible to keep airports perfectly clean without interfering with the rhythm of air traffic? Holaris FOD is a sweeper designed specifically for the fast and safe cleaning of runways, taxiways, and platforms. Being towable, it not only eliminates the risk of items posing a potential flight hazard, but also guarantees lightning-fast cleaning of airport areas. The Holaris FOD's effectiveness in clearing large areas makes it an indispensable aid in maintaining continuity of airport operations. The Hysoon 380 is the most advanced skid steer loader, providing even higher productivity on the job site. The loader features effortless and smooth operation, increased dump height, and an industry-standard quick-release hitch that is compatible with other leading brands. More than 30 attachments can be fitted, making the Hysoon 380 a truly versatile machine for the job at hand. High torque and four-wheel drive allow for the machine to work in extremely maneuverable conditions with minimal space. Leading features such as night work lights, USB cell phone jack, horn, folding rear platform, easy access to service points, and lockable fuel tank lid make the Hysoon 380 a leader in its class. This is an Ecotech remote-controlled machine with an automatic leveling motor. It's designed for efficient grass cutting in the most extreme conditions. It is a small but powerful assistant that can reach maximum speed even on steep slopes. You will definitely enjoy its work. The ideal tool for keeping hedges in shape is the hedge trimmer for giant loaders and skid steer loaders. The blade system consists of special hardened blades that ensure a clear and even cut of branches up to 3 centimeters. Since you can tilt the blade 180 degrees, you can cut hedges vertically and horizontally. As you can see, one advantage and no disadvantages. Reel mowers are not suitable for everyone. They're designed for small, flat mowing areas, so it requires great effort to operate them. At the same time, they offer exceptional mowing quality and convenience. They offer something no other machine can, and the Jacobsen mower is one of the best of its kind. You know, friends, there are also machines for leveling the sand zone, and they are also very popular. After all, cleaning the beaches manually is an asterisk task, but some manufacturers went further, so to speak. Like, for example, this machine working in Dubai. See for yourself what it can do. What do we know about JCB's newfangled HTD5 demo dump truck? Well, at least at its operating weight is only 590 kilograms, and its power is 5.9 horsepower at 4.4 kilowatts. The manufacturer took care of the engine and supplied a Kohler diesel with an electric starter. The trough volume reaches 300 liters, and the payload is 500 kilograms. Furthermore, this unit has a hydrostatic 2-speed drive and a hydraulic tipping body with high emptying. By the way, the unloading height is 1,450 millimeters. Thanks to its new features, this tipper does not reduce productivity and will be a great helper in your work. The powerful Terrafelis 3 is the most efficient beat loader of its class. It has been successfully used worldwide for 10 years and has been an example of gentle and productive beat loading technology. Terrafelis 3 provides maximum working comfort, which is due to the Holmer Dynafill automated filling device, the spacious cab, and the fastest folding automation. The cleaning concept is individually tailored, and solutions are available for the most varied conditions of use. The 374-inch wide pickup table, the 590-inch overload distance, and the clever counterweight balancing arrangement only complete the overall concept. The GMR Hedge Tractor-Mounted Mulcher is a great option for both the novice and the professional. The low design and hydraulic offset system allow you to drive the shredder under the trees if necessary, without snagging branches with the tractor cab. And what is most important, no surprises on the way will stop the work of the machine, because the special hammer design can shred even the smallest tree that appeared on the road. The Sauer wide fork support is the ideal equipment for moving large loads with the complete safety and stability needed to prevent losses. It can be used to preserve the integrity of important loads. With it, you can also ensure that the load is not damaged during transportation. 4 forks allow you to move fairly large loads, and Sauer is customizable according to the needs of each customer, which is also a significant advantage. A compost tedder is a special equipment used for periodic mixing of the compost mass. This accelerates the composting process and improves the quality of the resulting compost. CT Model 718 is a highly efficient, economically feasible way of neutralizing various types of waste to produce compost and processed soil, as well as protecting soil, atmosphere, groundwater, and surface water from pollution. Anyone who's professionally engaged in viticulture knows for sure that the preparation of the soil before planting is one of the most important conditions, compliance with which is a prerequisite. Well, of course, if you want to output a quality harvest. Therefore, for these purposes, there's a special technique, such as, for example, a trail chisel plow ripper. In this case, it has 4 working organs, aggregated with tractors from 100 to 170 horsepower. This technique allows you to perform the process of loosening the soil to a depth of up to 55 centimeters. By the way, all wear parts of the trail loosening equipment are made of high-strength steel. The process of industrial olive harvesting is carried out with the help of specialized equipment, one of which is the Expand R5090 machine from the French company Pellenc. According to the manufacturer, this technique can collect more than 0.3 tons of fruit at a time. The modern model of the olive harvester saves up to 25% of harvesting time, which makes it just the perfect helper for any farmer out there. And the optional buggy 5000 shaker can handle up to 1,200 tree units per day, with harvest completeness of up to 99% of the olives on each tree. Oxbow's CP100 maize harvester represents the legendary maize harvester technology used in high-performance, multi-row combines. This model of machinery allows a single operator to harvest up to 600 dozen ears of sugar corn without damage per hour, using a tractor with only 65 horsepower or more. The main features and advantages of this machine include a towable cutter bar for flexible tractor selection. With this combine, you're sure to achieve a premium quality product. Are you already familiar with the state-of-the-art TrackX control system? This thing is a true master of control that will cooperate perfectly with your machinery. The thing is, the system is equipped with RTK precision to follow the machine perfectly, both in straight lines and curves, making it easy to control and shortening your work time. And the best part is that whatever your job, you only need an isobus screen. So forget about a number of extra screens or boxes in the tractor. Everything can be simple and straightforward. In 2023, Google introduced the new LT Master F60. In fact, it's a combination of baler and bale wrapper. Not only corn, but also corn stover, alfalfa, sugar beet pulp, grain, garbage, wood chips, mixed fodder, and many other raw materials can be processed into perfectly compacted and wrapped bales. All thanks to this modern and productive machine. The LT Master F115 features a fixed chamber press and produces compact bales measuring 1.96 by 1.96 feet. It also provides customers working with small bales with proven Google quality. Are you interested in how the magic of modern agricultural technology packs 59 feet of efficiency into a compact format in seconds? Meet the Seraphin Ultiso S18, a 2021 single-disc planter that unfolds masterfully for transportation. Double folding this cool agro-innovative marvel transforms it from a 59-foot-wide working machine to a transport-friendly format of just 19.6 feet. The video clearly demonstrates this process in rapid succession, but the impression of the transformation is lasting. Robot's Verditas 3000 mounted manure spreader has two possible applications. The first is soil fertilization by spreading compost, and the second is the fight against water shortages, runoff, and turf. The machine can spread chopped straw, wood shavings, and sawdust. Such a machine can spread manure in 4 different modes. Full, in an open field with wide spreading. Full, located on a path. Directed, on one side. Or directed, simultaneously on 2 sides, for vineyard or horticulture. It is a rather compact machine that matches the dimensions of the tractor and respects the existing vegetation nearby. It's mounted on a road chassis, speed up to 15.5 miles per hour, with an articulated drawbar. The 4 new VB3200 models combine the best of Kuhn's proven round baler concepts with new features and extensive configuration options. Large farmers and contractors will like the VB3260 and the VB3290 models best. They're designed for versatility, optimum productivity, and profitability. These balers offer up to 10% higher bale density in dry crops thanks to the newly introduced Progressive Density Plus option. And the VB3255 and the VB3285 balers are designed especially for farmers who want a versatile and powerful machine that's easy to operate. Their proven suction and baler chamber concept, combined with a simple but sophisticated design, ensures reliability and productivity in a wide variety of crops. The CH Series grader attachments are the ideal tool for the most demanding profiling tasks, from spreading stone to backfilling and precision profiling of landscape projects, as well as maintaining access roads. This equipment is packed with powerful features that make it a great solution for well-maintained gravel roads. Features include a dual blade configuration and side panels with replaceable shoes. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.